MK members here, not tiring. What I can tell you is that, they've been chanting songs since arrival here, running around, chanting liberation songs, you can see also the placards there where they say, why crucify Jacob Zuma? Is it because he was empowering black people? But I'm just going to bring ordinary members here who are just going to talk to us a bit more about this. Baba Uda, we know that President Zuma, former President Zuma, is appearing vigilant. Why are you guys here?
Number one, let me just say thank you for this opportunity. As Bishop Tima Bena, the member of the MKFBO, we are here to support our president. And the president will answer for himself. We are here to say, no matter what, we are entering with him. No matter what we can't answer for our president, but let them call our president and bring him more physical so that he can answer for himself.
No matter what, are you guys, what message are you trying to send? Because he's appearing before the party that suspended him. We know that he's your leader now, he's the MK leader. Aren't you guys supposed to be happy? Probably even hoping that he get expelled so that you can own him and he belongs to you.
Look, we are happy that he's our president and he will definitely remain be ours. As I've said to you, our president will answer for himself. We are here to be his behind, children of his nation. Thank you so much.
Talk to us about the reasons why you guys have gathered here. The former president, Jacob Zuma, is appearing virtually. One would think that you guys would wait for the outcome since he's appearing virtually.
So basically when we are here, we know that he's appearing virtually, but we've chosen to come and stand with him and be in solidarity with our President Jacob Zuma because we understand the struggle that is in. We are also ANC members. We never resigned from the ANC. But why are we not called? Also to be...
Are you an ANC member?
Yes.
MK member?
Yes.
ANC
We
and
were
MK.
card-holding members of the ANC. Manje abasibizingani nathi sibe disciplined njengoba naye bembizile in a disciplinary. So mangabe bayenza leyo nto kuye mabayenze nakithi ngoba sinawo amakhadi. We never resigned.
So are you here?
Injury to one is an injury to all. We love the MK because the MK is here to fix and fight for a black person. So we've chosen the MK and we've chosen to vote with the MK because the MK stands for the truth. The MK knows intefuna umuntu omnyama. So as a young person, I stand here for all the graduates that are now unemployed, for all the young people that are now sunk into Occupy that is killing young children as young as 8 years. So now we are here to stand with Ubaba Msholozi because he's the only person that can free us.
So you betrayed the ANC?
We never betrayed the ANC. We stood with the truth. The ANC is no longer standing for what we want as black people. Therefore, we are here to say the ANC, it has to correct itself. It has to correct itself. And the only party that can correct itself, it is Umkhonto weSizwe through Comrade Jacob Zuma. Injury to Comrade Zuma is an injury to us.
One last question from me. You said you are still an ANC member, but also an MP member. Under what banner are you? Under what capacity are you?
I'm under the MK banner.
But still ANC member?
No, we are no longer ANC members. Due to its discipline. Due to its discipline, we stand with the MK.
Okay, thank you so much. That was one of the members of MK here who just said that they are basically here to show